Hi guys, in this video we'll talk about the Blaze AI. Is it really worth it? Or like what is the process and is it really useful? Or how are the results and stuff? So we'll talk about it. Now the step one is just go to the Blaze AI, and if I talk about it, like the current plan, as you can see, like I am on a free trial which they have given me for 7 days, which is basically a good thing for any of the new website. Like they're offering a 7-day free trial. You can check it and try if it works for you. As you can see, like $49 per month after the 7 days free trial, they will cost me, which is like a good amount, a decent amount. So they are giving the free trial, so you can just check it. And on the left side you can see brand kits, and you can just ignore this one, like templates. So templates are pretty good if you want to create any kind of design. As you can see, some of the designs they have added. So basically this website is mainly for those people who are related to the marketing of their content or like their courses as well. So you can see all the templates they have made. You can just open any of the templates, and basically this, now as you can see, like the format, let's say you want to change it, you can change it as well. They will adjust it automatically, which is, I think, is pretty good. If you want to Instagram story, Instagram square, or Facebook visual post as well, so it will basically convert and crop it automatically, and it will like adjust automatically, which I think it is pretty good for any of the website that they are giving this feature. And if you scroll down, here are some other templates as well related to the designs, and like they're pretty good. And if I talk about like generate new content or get fresh ideas as well, they're giving this one as well. So you can just click on social media ideas and give me ideas about, like you can just say like I want to food and cooking. You can just write anything. And for social media, and just click on generate, sorry, name your doc as well. Let's say demo, and demo project. Just select the location and how many ideas do you want. So let's say that I just need 5 ideas. Generate, and it will start generating the ideas, which I think is pretty good. Like you just need to think about it. Like as you can see, like it has given some kind of basic or some kind of advanced, depends on your prompting or the explanation as well, like what exactly do you need, which is a pretty good feature. You can just create the new videos as well. Like as you can see, it might provide you the video template for, let's say I want to create for TikTok. You can just what do you need, they ask you post, script, thumbnail. Just click on post and you can just upload your video. Otherwise you can just start with the stock video. As you can see, they're giving a few of the stock videos, so you can just select the stock video, any of the stock video, and they will ask you the context, like what do you want the video to be about, and pick your template. And on third, pick the template, and it will make an AI video which is completely automated. Now first thing, now at the last, like AI can create a lot of things, but at the end, like a human touch is also required. Like an expert person can create really good stuff, but if you're new to it, you need a time, or you just need to hire any expert person who knows how to use it, and who knows like how to get the good content from Blaze AI. So that is all about the Blaze AI. I think you should try it, and if it really works for you, you can just try it and use it in your work.